guys, so I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel called Hits and Misses, and basically I'm going to be taking a brand of makeup, like Maybelline. That's what this week is going to be about, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do it every week or every month or what, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the products that I have and tell you like which ones I like and which ones that they were what I expected to be, and then the misses are gonna be ones that what I thought they were gonna be, and kind of tell you what I think of them. And so yeah, basically I'm gonna start off with the misses right now. So the first one is the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush, and this is in pink frosting. Basically, I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of pink blushes like this. You can really find these anywhere, and the consistency of this is kind of, I don't know, nice, but I don't know, I think the reason why they call it bouncy is because it's kind of made with air, and it's kind of like the Hershey candy that they packed with air, and I think they put less product in here, and plus this made my skin kind of irritated, and I didn't like it, so I don't like that, and yeah. And plus there's a lot of pink blushes out there that are better than this, but just as good, so yeah, I don't like that. The next thing I have is also a gel liner, but it's in the color brown, and I haven't been wearing eyeliner at all recently, so I don't really know why I got this. I mean, I like the gel liner, but I wish I would have got it in black instead of brown, because I prefer black over brown, I guess, and yeah, and I think you need a lot of the liner to make it look as dark as it does in here, so yeah. Another thing I have, which I've been using just a lot lately, just to try and use it up, and as you can see, it's almost all gone. And it's the Maybelline Baby Lips, and this is in peppermint. And the packaging is pretty cute, you know, it's green and purple, so yeah. But smells like peppermint, but I feel like this, compared to any other like chapstick lip lip stuff, like chapstick, I feel like it's just okay compared to other ones. I mean, and plus it's like $3 or $4 for this, which I don't know if I would get it again, just because I feel like it feels just like Vaseline, except with a scent, pretty much. So, yeah. The last mist I have is I'm probably gonna get like a lot of people that are gonna be shocked by this, but I don't know if it's the color that I got early or just I'm using it wrong or what. But it's the Maybelline 24-hour color tattoo, and mine is the toughest taupe. And the reason why I don't like this is, for one, and this is also supposed to be a dupe for the MAC paint pots, but I've never had one of those, so I really don't know. But basically, this is like a brown taupey color, just kind of by the name, and I thought this was gonna go good with in my Naked palette, the color Naked and Buck, but it's kind of too dark, and I don't really have any colors that would match this, so yeah, I don't really like this that much. And plus, I'll swatch it, but plus it looks kind of like mud to me, and I don't want to wear mud on my eyes. And it's kind of hard to blend out. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, it's pretty, but it's kind of hard to blend out, and I don't know. Usually I use my finger to apply this, but maybe I should try and use a brush. I don't know, but I don't care for this as much. Now onto the hits. Okay. I have the Maybelline Line Stiletto not mascara, liquid liner, and this is in Blackest Black. And this is great for winging out your liner, but I haven't been wearing winged eyeliner in general. And I really like this. It has a nice tip to it. Yeah, and it's pretty easy to apply for me even, but considering I don't really wing out eyeliner that much. But here's a swatch of it. That's one swipe, and I really like the way it looks, and it dries pretty fast, but I don't ever recommend putting liquid liner like on your lower waterline because it'll just kind of go away. So yeah, but overall I give that a thumbs up. The next thing I have is mascara, and this is a Great Lash Mascara, Lots of Love, and this is Blackest Black, and I like this mascara. The only thing I don't like, I wish it was waterproof. That's the only thing, but I really like this mascara because it was really good for getting the lashes in the inner corners, and the wand is kind of cool looking. It's small, and it kind of looks like a cone in a way. Like, so, yeah. I really like that mascara. The next thing by Maybelline I have is a lip gloss, and this is a Shine Sensational Lip Gloss, and this is in number 10, Kiss Me Coral, and this was a limited edition one, I think. I mean, they still have, like, this line with lip glosses, but just not this particular shade or color or whatever. They have similar ones, but this has like coral and it's a coral color and then a sparkly, and plus it has, I never knew this, but it had gummy bears on it, and that's what it smells like. It smells like gummy bears and oranges. I love the way it smells. As for lasting time for this, I think it lasts usually between like 1 or 2 hours, give or take. And the stickiness really doesn't bother me. It's not too sticky, but yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's kind of in middle of the road stickiness. So that's what I would say. Next thing I have is a limited edition lipstick, and this is a pinky nude color, and this is supposed to be a dupe for Hue by MAC, but I don't have that either, and yeah, but this is what it looks like swatched right here, and also right there, and it's really pretty on, and I love the way it smells. I know that probably sounds weird, but I love the way it smells and everything, and also yeah, and this is in the color 865 Nude Nuisance. Yeah, Nuances. Wow. Yeah, but I love that. And then the last and final thing I have is a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in Light Pale. And I know light pale doesn't really fit me. I mean, it's like really light for me, but the reason why I got light pale is because I don't know, I like to have something lighter under my eye because I feel like it makes my eye like brighter or something. I really don't know. But this is great. This is exactly what I thought it would be like, and this is like the best concealer for dark circles and stuff, so that is a thumbs up. So yeah, those are all the products that I love, the hits and misses. I'm still going to be doing my monthly favorites videos, but these are just kind of not really things that I've been like loving for that month, but it's more of the brand, or like the brand of things I've been using kind of for a while, or things that I haven't really been using. But yeah, and let me know if you like this new series I started. And yeah, thumbs it up, and please take a minute to subscribe if you like my videos and you want to see more of my face up here in your subscription box, because I would love to have you. And thanks so much for watching, and let me know what you think of my lighting and stuff, because I've been trying to make my lighting better and everything like that. So yeah. Alright, talk to you all later, and thanks for watching. Bye!